So I'm going to show you how to install the hair. This one was done by wrapping the kinky hair, this kinky hair, along with braided extension with your own hair. This one was done with just wrapping your own hair. You can see the difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the crochet. So to do the crochet one, I've already braided the mannequin's hair. So what you want to do now is you want to take your faux locks, that crochet hair that you just made. So this is the faux locks that you just made. You see the eye is over there. Make sure the eye is big enough to fit the size. So that's why you don't want this to be too chunky. So you see this eye, I know it's big enough. So you're just going to take your crochet hook. You're going to hook it in there like that. You're going to take the crochet hair, hook it through the eye, move this through underneath. Now you're going to take the end. You see that end? You're going to take that and you're going to pass that through the eye. So make sure when you pass it, you have gathered up all the hair in there. Okay. And then you pass it through the eye. Let's get it through the eye. So this is the toughest part, just making sure everything goes through. So if you're having struggle where you feel as if the eye is too small, that's why you only tie the knot one time, not 2 times. Please look at the link in the description area where I show you how to create this faux lock. So you just pass that through like that, okay? You can just move the eye and just pass it through like that. So very goes through. So this takes a little bit of a practice. So you passed it, you see? Pass it through like that. So once you pass it through like that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to grab your own hair, okay? So this is the hair, your own hair, and you're going to put your hair through this. So what you want to do is you want to get your crochet hook again. You're going to pass the crochet hook in the middle. Make sure you're taking it through the middle of the hair and take it from underneath. Take your own braided hair, hook it, make sure everything hooks through, and pass that through the middle, okay? So make sure you hook your own hair and then just pass it through the middle. Wiggle it through and let it come out like this. So you can see that your hair is hidden in there. So the next thing you do is you just take this, you pass it through the middle again. Make sure you're passing it through the middle. So take your time. I personally prefer doing this with cornrow instead of passing it through the middle, because sometimes when you pass it through the middle, it messes up the integrity of the faux locks. But I'll show you how to clean that up later. So we're going to take that through like that. Just take it through like that. You see? Comes out. And then you smoothen it. You just pull it through and you see it hides the hair. And you just continue doing that until you've passed all the hair through. So when you put it through, you bring it through out from that spot. You see, from that spot, pass the hair in. I'm just going to pass it in like this, through the middle like that. Keep on going. Pass it through like this. Okay, let it come out. Pass it through the middle. Okay, make sure you gather all the hair. And then sometimes the very end of the hair, I let it tuck in. So I just remove the hook, you see, I let it tuck in and I just smoothen the hair over. And so this is it. So to clean up, in case the integrity of the hair gets rough, just get your scissors. You can get a scissors. You can just lightly just trim it. You can dip it in some hot water just to seal the hair. Or sometimes some people will just take a lighter and just run it through to just burn off the extra. You see? So when you take the lighter, run it through, you see it burns off the extra hair. Okay, so you see, makes it much neater. So that's what to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.